Eyescream Beauty Box. Eyescream Beauty Box, fun fact, is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rhonda, and hello over here. We are all about embracing the hot mess. I'm filming later in the day. I've been filming all day long, so your girl's a little tired. Anyways, the dishwasher's going. My kid will probably be strolling in from school, which I said that in my Chic Beauty Box unboxing, but it's mom life, okay? Anyways, friends, we are unboxing our Eyescream Beauty Box for January. I had to think what month we're in. 2023. Y'all, my Bengals was giving me a heart attack over the Mother Truckin' weekend. Sunday night, watching that game. Oh my gosh, is anybody else as into football as me? Like, my Bengals, ooh, were like these. I always say I want to be like the football mom, because I'm like, boys, come on, don't get too cocky, let's do this. All right, you know what, let's do this, Rhonda. Let's stay on focus. No, okay, so I'm gonna pull up so I make sure I get the exact price for you all. If I could click the E and not the W. Eyescream. Now the Eyescream Beauty Box, this is some fancy finger work. Did you see that? Girl, okay. So the Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly subscription, not a bi-monthly. This is every single month, and you do receive 5 to 7 beauty products in here. Now, the one thing about Eyescream Beauty Box is you're always going to receive a palette in this box, which I personally absolutely love about them. Typically, they are mostly a makeup heavy type of box. Now, you can do a monthly bag with Eyescream Beauty Box, which in all honesty, I don't know much about that subscription. Or you can do this, which is a $25 subscription. And if you subscribe, you can also, I do believe, do like a yearly type of dealio, or 3 months, 6 months, what have you. Now, I believe it's code HOTMESS, saves you 10% off your first box with Eyescream. And you all know that I've been unboxing them for a bit, and I love them, like absolutely love them. So thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this box over my way. This is going to be a first impression, and I have been trying to do some get ready with me's, trying all the products out. So you do get a card. Ooh, sorry, you do get a card in here with the little description actually now of all of the products in here and the retail value. So I do like that they do put that in there. So like I was saying, you do get a palette. We're getting more than one palette in this box. The first one is by the Beauty Crop, and this is the Mediterranean Spring Travel Tea palette. This is actually a face palette, so this is what it looks like, and here's the back of it. Now this says that it does have a $15 retail value, and it's a universal face palette. It's perfect to bronze up your face, add color to your cheeks, and get your glow on. So let's open this up. I do feel like too, with Eyescream Beauty Box, you get brands that you don't typically see in other subscriptions, which I love that. Okay, so it's in a plastic type of case. I don't know if my camera is even focusing, so sorry if it's not. Okay, so when I look at it right away, it definitely is really pretty, and I was thrown off by this gray color. It's different, but I feel like on a really fair skin tone like Hailey's, that would be really pretty. I want to swatch it, but then I don't, because I feel like I have so many. Here's what I love about it. You actually have cream products in here, which I'm such a sucker for. Oh, it's bad, but I want to do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I gotta touch it. Oh, it's lovely. I gotta do this one too. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and creamy, but like melts. Oh, that is stunning. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, I'm glad I touched. I have to do this one though. Look at that. Okay, so just ignore anything I said. It's like an iridescent. Hailey would love that. This would be beautiful in an inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna be back to play around with this palette. This is gorgeous. I can't believe it's only $15. That's really like a lot less than I expected it to cost. All right, next in here we have another palette. Whoa, what is this? MB. This is what it looks like. So I think this is by Muse Beauty, and it's a $45 Meet the Rocco palette. 16 blendable pigmented shade. Ice Cream Beauty, $25, guys. $25. So you definitely made your money back just with this. But then you get like a face palette too. Like, you so get your money's worth here. You can't tell me otherwise. Wow. Oh, okay. So here's what it looks like. It's in a cardboard type of packaging. Ooh, so it does have a mirror in here, and then here's all of the shades. This is pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. So like I said, it does have a mirror in here, and then of course all of the shades. So that is fun. This is a really pretty palette. So you've got your neutrals, you've got your pops of color. We will definitely be coming around and doing a try-on with this. I've been liking doing the try-ons and like chitty chat, get ready with me, kind of get to know me more kind of dealio, talking about my kitty cats that really aren't my kitty cats, but I feed the neighborhood cats. We got a new cat. We named him Saki because y'all know that I talk about Sushi Mittens and Yum Yum. Well, this one is, Sushi Mittens is all black with little white on him. Yum Yum is orange and white, and this one is all white with literally looks like black socks. So freaking cute. So anyways, I digress. Next in here we have the Okalan, and this is the Perfect Liquid Liner. This has a retail value of, oh, there's 3. Oh, you get 3 of them for $33. I've actually gotten the hi. Did you have a good day? Yeah. Well, that's good. So you actually get 3 of the liners. So this one's in black, and this one is in gold, which I already have this one, so I will be gifting it. And then this one is in purple. Super cute. And then last, or no, not last, we have this, and one more thing, is by Marabella, and this is like an eye cream type of, oh, whoa, whew, a liner. And I like these a lot. This is like a creamy nude color right here. I love their liners. Specifically, I needed another one of these colors because the only one I have is by Makeup Geek, and when the Makeup Geek's gone, I don't have one that is like that. So yay, I love that. So this has a retail value of Champagne Color Eye Crown Marabella Beauty, $20. And these are always really nice when you haven't had much sleep. You just put it on your waterline, wakes you up, put it in your inner corner. You can do it up against your brows. It's really nice. And then last in here is the Melon Dollar. I think this is a lip gloss by the Beauty Crop. And this has a retail value of $11, and it's a plumping type of gloss, which I absolutely love. And I feel like that color is like woo, but I think on the lips it's going to be really nice and soft. So definitely stay tuned, come back. I will be putting all of these goodies on. That's going to be so much fun. We can talk about my kitty cats that aren't my kitty cats. That sounds really weird. Anyways, if you want to go ahead and sign up for the Ice Cream Beauty Box, there's going to be a link down below, and of course a coupon code. And don't forget, when it comes to Ice Cream Beauty Box, you can shop as well. They have like the items that have been in the past boxes and stuff that you can get for a discount as well. So thank you once again to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending this box over my way to unbox for you all. And check me out on my other channels. I'm thrown off. My kiddo just walked in and we've got stuff to do. So I'm like, okay, let's get all this done. Anyways, don't forget to check my description box down below to sign up. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl try-on hauls, and of course Hotmess in the Kitchen, because I gotta feed my family, but I like to do it quickly and on a budget. So check me out over there. Anyways, friends, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Thank you once again to my YouTube members, and until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me?